How to install Anaconda on your PC. Okay, open the Anaconda website by typing the link. I will give you the link below this video. After the website open, click download button. It begins to download now. And then find the location that you download it, and then double click at the Anaconda logo. Follow the instruction, and then here you can choose your own path. Read the option before you go to the next step. Then click the install button. And launching Anaconda. It will ask you to update, which I will do it later. Select the Jupyter Lab. Here you can managing the folder and setting the name. So I create a new folder and set the name Jupyter Practice, and then I click Python 3 logo. I will introduce a little bit about Jupyter Notebook. So adding the neckline for coding, use Shift Enter. Yes. And then I will try add a comment. Start with hash symbol. And I will try doing a little bit 5 plus 5, and click the play button above, execute. The result will show on the next line. Next, testing the markdown. Go to the select list above and select markdown. We use markdown for giving a description or put the content. Use hash symbol to control the font size. The more hash symbol you put, the small font size it will be. The next, testing more with inline comments, and then a little bit math. Next, selecting Jupyter Notebooks. It will take you to select the file that you save, and then you can open your Jupyter Notebook and continue to work.